To God be the glory for great things He have done. My name is Vernon Samuel. I'm from Queens, New York, and I did the 18-day program at M.E.E.T Ministry. It was a wonderful blessing to be here for 18 days. I was first introduced to M.E.E.T Ministry by my mother, who was a student of M.E.E.T Ministry, and also I heard of its reputation of healing and rejuvenating the body. When I came here, I expected to get a healing for my body to be rejuvenated. But what I've learned by coming here to M.E.E.T Ministry is that it not only deals with the physical health, but also the spiritual health. I've learned that they try to encompass the whole body, mind, and soul. My experiences here was uplifting, brought me to a higher spiritual level, and it also rejuvenated me health-wise. At first, I must admit, the 5 days of food, vegetable juices and colonics kind of took me back for a little bit. But after the first week, seeing the benefits of all the vegetable juices, the colonics, the therapies, and to see the results of that seemed to be worthwhile. One thing I must say, the staff here is exceptionally well. They go over and beyond. They're genuine, they're kind, they're gentle, they're hardworking, they're determined. They do all that they can to make your experience enjoyable and that to encourage you to keep going on and will meet any need that you have. It was a blessing to be here. I got more than a more than a physical healing and rejuvenation. My spiritual life has been affected. And I advise anyone to come down here, either whether it's for 10 or 18 days, and experience a whole body change, a whole body experience, a whole body cleansing, not just physically, but mentally and spiritually. Sometimes we get caught up in the business of life. We live in a secular world. You learn that you're taking on toxins and, that are environmental, that are in our food, that are in our daily products that you use. And you don't see the degradation that our environment does to us. And being educated now, come here, and plus it's the education that you receive here. And coming out here and be educated on the environmental factors, educated on the little everyday things that we use in our house to understand, how important God's 8 laws of health is, and to re-emphasize these simple methods of God's law and to see how effectual it is into your everyday living. So I advise everybody to come out here to get a complete whole healing, not just for any ailments that you might have, but a complete whole healing. And it's definitely worth it. It will leave a lifelong impression upon you. You might even have lifelong friends here. Not only would advise it, but I'm going to advertise for them when I get home. And a lot of people who might need this, a 10-day reset or 18-day reset in your life that you need, a cleanse, spiritual cleanse, a physical cleanse, a mental cleanse. Definitely that is worth the money regardless, it's worth the time. Your mental, physical, and spiritual health are very important because if these break down, then who are you? God is coming soon, and I think that we need to be ready, spiritually fit, mentally fit, and also physically fit. So that's my testimony. M.E.E.T Ministry has left an impression upon me, and if I can do it again, I would. Have a beautiful day.